Pinky. You look good to me.
Orin! You're scaring me!
Come on, just a taste.
Snap out of it, Orin! This isn't like you! Pinky, this isn't good.
What? Not on my watch, Durble.
Thanks, Sky. You saved me.
Of course I did. A bear has to protect his dinner. Ah!
Sky, what is wrong with you?
Hungry.
I think the guys have gone crazy! You're right! It's turned into predator versus prey! And we're the prey! I think we lost them. Shush!
You hear that?
I only hear you two trying to steal my dinner.
It's finders keepers.
Oh, is that so?
No, I like the sound of finders keepers. Because if I find them both, that means the meal's all mine.
Over my dead body.
Whoa! Let's go through here. Hopefully we don't have to hide forever. Look! Cave paintings? What do they say? The sun took us back in time and we de-evolved? Does it say how to fix it? It looks like these two statue things control the sun. And they're missing! Well then, we have to split up, Pinky. I'll blend into the tundra better. You go to the jungle. Be careful. You too. Sky's a polar bear now, so he could be lurking anywhere. I gotta go fast.
She made the wrong move stepping on my turf, and now she's right where I want her.
It's gotta be here somewhere. There it is! But how do I get across the water? It must be freezing. I can sense it. He's right behind me.
I got you!
Got it! I have to get this idol back quick before we're stuck as beasts forever!
The idol could be anywhere in this jungle. And I'm guessing we don't have much time before we're stuck as primitive beasts forever. Wait, I think I'm picking up on something. There!
Oh, I think I do. I'm playing with my food.
Orin, if you don't give me that thing, we'll be stuck like this forever!
Well, maybe I like it like this. There's nothing like the rush of hunting down your prey, feeling its fear as you chase it.
I'm not your prey, Orin! You love me! Don't you?
It's the circle of life, Pinky. You can't stop the way things are. Now what to do with this?
You have to give that back to me, please! I don't think the ritual will work if one's missing!
Ooh, so there's another. Change of plans. I go find the other idol first, and I destroy them both.
No!
and then I never go hungry again!
No! I gotta find Wenda! I'll set the idol in place, then go find Pinky! Ah! What the?
You thought you could outrun me? But I'm far stronger than you, horsey.
I'm a zebra! And I'm also your friend, Durple! You can't eat me!
I'm pretty sure I can.
Pinky! Wanda! Do you need help? Run! What?
A 2-course meal!
Stop, Durple! You don't understand what can happen!
Womp womp. I don't care what happens, as long as I get my dinner!
Let us go!
Yeah, let them go!
Huh? What happened to Finders Keepers, Orin? Wasn't that your idea?
You're right. And to that point, I found these. Once I smash these, we'll be beasts forever, and I will be King Orin.
Orin, please don't do this!
There's only gonna be one king!
Right there! What do we do? Wait, I have an idea! Hey, Durple!
What?
Are you really gonna let one of those guys be the king of the jungle? Where's that gonna leave you?
She's right. You'll always be second banana.
Ugh! Not if I have anything to say about it!
Got him! Come on! Let's hope this works!
Is anyone else super hungry?